Hi, today we will tell our complete. Me and my name is Mustafa Sheikh. My friend is named Ahmed Ibrahim. First we will tell الجواب. As I said, we will tell الجواب. Yes, this one, put it in this one. This part in this one. This two parts here. After that, we put all the two parts here. And when you buy the laser, here is set this to test. It's easy to develop a dark color. You make sense. So Pegasus. Now we will edit something. Just think we get new trees to get all the good eggs. You must check it. So look at this. Working. Let's see the end of the video. Dark colors. Working. Let's see a job. Working. If all of them are working, that means you are